Turning BHO into e-liquid simplified. How to make BHO into vape juice. Turning BHO into e-liquid becomes a simple process with Wax Liquidizer. The benefits of a tasty e-juice that is quick and easy to make using BHO concentrates are readily available by simply using Wax Liquidizer. Just to make sure we are all on the same page, let's break down exactly what BHO concentrate is with a quick definition. BHO is a waxy concentrated cannabis extract made by pushing liquid butane through a tube packed with frosty buds. The result is a mix of concrete oils, waxes, cannabinoids, terpenoids, and sometimes chlorophyll. In stoner terms, this means concentrated THC or the good stuff. The problem is you can't vape BHO unless it's a liquid, or shall we say that used to be the problem. Now you can turn your marijuana concentrates into e-liquid the easy way. Did I mention great taste? Wax Liquidizer comes in 6 great flavors including Original, Ice Hit, Strawberry Cough, Pineapple Express, Grape Ape, Banana OG. These great flavors combined with the ease of use in turning MJ concentrates into e-juice helped make Wax Liquidizer the 2016 Product of the Year as awarded by the 420 testers at 420 Pony. Marijuana concentrates are available in many forms and are sold under many different names. The beauty of it is that Wax Liquidizer will turn them all into vape juice. Some of these concentrates are listed here. Wax, shatter, Buddha, honey oil, rosin, live resin, PHO, crumble wax, sugar wax, butter. Last but not least, let's look at one of the most overlooked yet best benefits of turning your BHO concentrate into e-liquid. Now that you have your e-liquid loaded in your vaporizer, take a big hit and let out that cloud. What do you smell? Nothing except a hint of the great Wax Liquidizer flavor. Think about what that means for your 420 lifestyle. Now you can vape concentrate at the park, walking your dog, feeding the ducks, or cruising through the parking lot on your way to that new release movie you have been waiting to see. That right. Wax Liquidizer is changing the game. So grab some BHO and Wax Liquidizer, take 2 minutes to make your BHO e-liquid, load your cartridge and start vaping your BHO concentrate today. Happy vaping from Wax Liquidizer.